On a wintry hump day in Howell, New Jersey, it's all about justice for George and Lola, two baby squirrels taken in by a woman who says she was just doing the right thing. Now she's headed to court, and let's hope the judge's heart is warmer than this snow.
So this morning, I knocked on Maria Vaccarella's door.
All right, thanks, Maria.
And I said, Maria, come on, it's time to go to court. And while we were in the car, I asked her what was going through her mind because she was charged with unauthorized use of wildlife.
Maria, you're relatively calm for what's about to happen. What's going through your mind?
Well, I'm a little nervous. I look at it like this. I did the right thing. I'm being punished for what? I don't know. But hopefully we'll have a great outcome.
As we get out of her car, headed into the court, we see a whole bunch of supporters with signs saying, "Go,
no kidding.
Maria! We love you. Maria did the right thing." And she had a whole team there. So we linked arms and we headed straight into Howell Municipal Court. And that's where the fun began.
This old school civil disobedience.
We were chanting, justice for George and Lola, justice for George and Lola, and we marched into
So George and Lola are the names of the two baby squirrels.
Baby squirrels, yes.
Maria, welcome to Chasing News. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
All right, so I got to ask you, I have a lot of questions. First question is, what were you thinking bringing the squirrel in? And did you bring in the pregnant squirrel and then
I actually
she
didn't
had the little
bring her
squirrels?
in my home. I didn't.
Okay, I'm glad to hear that.
Yes.
Where did you put the squirrel?
Outside in a cage.
Maria, this changes the whole context in my head.
Absolutely.
So you got a squirrel outside that is in need of help, right? Pregnant. When did you post the pictures to Facebook?
I actually didn't start posting pictures till after she gave birth.
Okay. So what happened today in court?
Well, the charges were dismissed.
Summons as written does not charge an offense, and therefore the court will dismiss the same with prejudice.
Upon the statute
great.
that they had charged me with was amended many years ago, and
You know what? I am so happy. So that was the judge that made that decision?
yes.
Wow, a judge in Jersey with common sense. Who knew?
You know, I mean, everyone's applauding you, and, you know, I have to be honest. You took a squirrel that was free in the wild, and you put that squirrel in a cage, in jail. Why would you do that?
Okay, because number one, the squirrel wasn't walking, it wasn't crawling, it was in a yard, and that means that any animal could have came and ate it.
I got to ask you though, why did you fight it? Honestly, you know, why didn't you just write the check, pay the fine? Why'd you fight it?
I fought it because I don't believe in saving any life, whether it's a human or an animal, that I should be crucified and pay a fine for it.
Justice served for Lola and George!
That's ridiculous.
You know it's squirrel season right now in New Jersey too?
Yeah.
Ridiculous. Congratulations.
Thank you.
This whole thing is so nuts to me.
Don't throw your nuts around. Oh, George!